In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a card using only HTML and CSS. So this card is going to look like this, and when you hover over the image, it is going to scale, and when you hover over the button, it is going to also change its color. So without further ado, let's begin. So let's first take the boilerplate of the HTML, and I'm going to change the title to card, and I'm going to link the CSS file. Link CSS. Nice. Now I'm going to open up our live server. Let me put it side by side so it will be easier to understand. So Control B. Now I'm going to take a div with the class of card, and then I'm going to take another div. Inside that, I'm going to name it wrap, and then I'm going to take a div with the class named image. Then I'm going to take another div. It is going to be called details, and then I'm going to take another one, and it is going to be called button. Okay, now let's begin. I'm going to import an image. See, the image is way too big right now, but we're going to deal with this later. Okay, rather than later, let's do it now, so it will be easier to understand. So go to image. This is in our image card, so image img tag. I'm going to give it a width of 250 pixel and height of 250 pixel as well. And okay, now I'm going to put it in the middle, but first let's make the wrap visible. So wrap, wrap, I'm going to give it a border of 1 pixel solid red. Now you can see it is taking all the space, all the width. So I need to set up the width, and I want the width to be, let's make the width 300 pixel. 300 pixel. So now it is here. The wrap is taking this 300 pixel, and I'm going to give a border radius of, let's just give it a border radius of 5 pixel. And I'm going to give this box, the wrap box, a shadow. So box shadow 5 pixel, and it is going to be 5 pixel blurred, and the color is going to be gray. Okay, now let's bring it in the middle. So card, if you look here, you are going to see the card is the parent div. So if I want to use flex, it is going to be in the parent div card. So I'm going to give it, but first I need to set the width, height and width of it. Width is going to be 100 view width, height is going to be 100 view height, and now I'm going to set display. Display is going to be flex. Display is going to be flex, okay. And justify content is going to be center. Align items is going to be center. Now it is here, so it will be easier for us to see here like this. So let's begin with the rest of the. So I have my photo and then I need the details. So what is it called? It is going to be called beef burger, beef burger. And I'm going to give some description of it. What kind of description can I give? It is going to contain this burger is made with uh, beef, mayo, and chef's special white sauce, if you know what I mean. And then it is going to be, the price is going to be $5. And then I have the button, and button is going to be called order now. Okay, see, all of them are just uh, on the left side, touching the margin of the left side. So what can we do about this? Let's give some padding, maybe. Let's give some padding and see what happens. um, or maybe I can just text align center. See, now all of them are in the center. This is the way we wanted to. And let's give some padding as well, padding top and bottom. Let's give 10 pixel. Okay, now it looks good. And image, I'm going to give the image some radius. Border radius is going to be 5 pixel. Now the image looks good. And beef burger price order now. Now let's uh, change the button. Button is going to be, we took a class called button, so we're going to give it a padding of 20 pixel and 20 pixel. But first let me give you a background color. Background color is going to be tomato. Give it a border radius of 10 pixel. Give it 10 pixel. And then the cursor is going to be pointer. See, now it looks good. Now we want to add some transition to it. So if I hover on the if I hover on the button, the background color is going to be black. But let's change the color to white, FFF. Now we can see better. See? Or maybe black was better. Black is better here. But font weight is going to be 500 or maybe 600. Order now. Now when I hover here, the color is going to change to white. See, now it looks good. Now let's do something with the image as well. Image, when I'm hovering over this image, image, hovering over this image, it is going to scale. So it is going to increase to 1.1. But it is happening way too fast. I want it to scale, but so transition all 0.5 second. I want it to take it time. See, now it is increasing, but slowly increasing. So we are almost done with our card. Let's see what it looks. See, this is our card. This is a very easy way to make some cards. Now, um, if I want to add a few more of these cards, just copy the wrap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, now we have a lot of cards. Now if I want to change the background color, body, uh, then I'm going to background image linear gradient to right. What color can I give it? 12p3 42a8 and hash 8831E0. See, if you want to give it a background color, it is going to look like this. So there you go. This is how you can make a card easily.